12 of 16 starts on the year, took a mark of 158-2 on a half-mile track, earned $313,000, and was named Canada's 2-year-old filly pacer of the year. Her biggest win was the $310,000 final of the John Chapman Memorial at Roosevelt Raceway. Benoit Cote drove her in all her races. Over a good track, the time of the Chapman was 2:02.
On the outside fifth, Sun Samila racing sixth, Semilu Dumore on the outside is seventh. The trailers of Dear Dorothy and Funny Honey. They're by the quarter pole in 29-1. Moving around the paddock turn the first time, Rodine Hanover shows the way now by 2 legs. Up on the outside comes En Route to take second. Along the inside is Amneris back to third. They move through the stretch to the half-mile pole. Showing the way is Rodine Hanover and Carmine Abbatella by 1.5 lengths. On the outside, En Route is second. Up the rail, Amneris racing third. With cover on the outside, Steinem is fourth. Along the inside, Lizzie Beth fifth. Semilu Demore on the outside sixth. Sun Samila followed by Dear Dorothy, and the trailer is Funny Honey. The half-mile for these fillies, 59-1. Down the back stretch, the final time, it's Rodine Hanover drawing away to a 4-length lead. From the far outside, rushes Steinem up to take second. Amneris along the inside is third. They move to the 3/4 pole. They've got Rodine Hanover to catch. She leads it by 1 length. Steinem on the outside, closing the gap up to challenge. 3/4 on the board in 1:30 flat. Around the final turn they go, Rodine Hanover and Steinem on the outside. They race as a team. Moving on the outside, Semilu Demore is a close to third. Amneris is fourth. They're at the top of the stretch, and Steinem, Buddy Gilmore moved for the lead. Semilu Demore on the outside trying to close. As they come to the wire, it's Steinem and Semilu Demore on the outside. Steinem along the inside, Semilu Demore.